Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to clear chat history on Poppo Live. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open the app and log into your account. Next step you want to take is to click on the message icon at the bottom area of your screen. So once you click on that, you're going to see all your messages. Alright, so if you want to delete or clear up any of them, select the one that you want to do that on, and then from here, if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you are going to see this clear up option. Tap on that and click on yes. Once you do that, the messages will be cleared. Alright, so you can do that for all your chats on the app. Right, so I'll do that for this one right here, and as you can see, it will be cleared. So guys, this is how you can actually clear up your chats or delete your chats on Poppo Live app. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.